Good morning students, now it's time for mental maths and today we will be doing revision work of few worksheet. Now look at the first sums. 10 ones is equal to how many tens? 10 ones is equal to 110. Dash tens is equal to how much hundred? 10 tens. 10 tens, that is 10 into 10 if you do, then that will be 100. And 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. 1 0 0 0 1000. Now next, the smallest two-digit number is, what is the smallest two-digit number? 10. The largest one-digit number is 9. The smallest three-digit number is 1 0 0. The smallest four-digit number is 1 followed by 3 zeros. 1 followed by 3 zeros. Next, the largest four-digit number is 9 9 9 9. Next, the sum of the smallest one-digit number and the smallest four-digit number. So, the sum of the smallest one-digit number and the smallest four-digit number. So, sum means we have to add the smallest one-digit number plus the smallest four-digit number. The sum of the smallest one-digit number and the smallest four-digit. So, what is the sum of the smallest one-digit number? Is 1. And the smallest four-digit number is 1 followed by 3 zeros. So, if we add these two numbers, 1 plus 1000, the answer will be 1001. So, the answer is 1001. Next, write the face value of the digit underlined. Already face value, what do you mean by face value? What is face value? Face value is the value of the digit itself in the given number irrespective of its position in the place value sheet. So, whatever it is the in position in the place value sheet, the face value will always be the digit itself. So, write the face value of the digit underlined. 7382, it is underlined, 7 is underlined, so the face value will be 7. Next, 2439. So, which digit is underlined? 3. So, 3 will be the face value of this number. 6274. So, which digit is underlined? 2. So, what will be the face value of 6274? 2 is underlined. So, the face value will be the number itself. So, 2 is. Next, 8168. So, which digit is underlined? 6 is underlined. So, what will be the face value of this number? 6 will be the number itself. And what is place value? Place value of a digit depends on its place or position in the given number in the place value sheet. So, whenever a number is given, the digit that is being asked, the place value of the digit that is being asked in the place value chart, what is the position of that particular digit in the place value chart, that will be the place value. Write the place value of the digit underlined. So 2864. So we have placed ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So what is the place value of the digit 8 in this number? It comes under 100. So it will be 800. Now look at the next sums. 5372 to ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So what is the place value of 2 in the given number? It is under the ones. So the answer will be 2 because it is under the 2 ones. Next, 8039. So what is the place value of the digit 3 in this number? It is under ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So it is under tens. So it will be 30. 3 tens or 30. Next, 7385. So what is the place value of 5 in this number? We write on the chart ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So it is under the 5 ones. So it will be 5. Now next, digits smallest, you have to arrange the smallest. The digits are given, you have to arrange the greatest number from the given digits and the smallest number from the given digits. The first number is 7983. So from this number you have to arrange the greatest number. So first write down which is the greatest digit in this 9. After that, after 9, which is the greatest digit? 8. After 8, which is the greatest digit? 7. And after 7, 3. So the greatest number with the following digits are of 7983 is 9873. Now the smallest number will be 3700 and just the 83 is the smallest number. Next, 2570. Which is the greatest number in this? 7. Next is which number is greatest after 7? 5. After 5, which is the greatest number? 2. After 2, which is the greatest? 0. So the greatest number with the following digits of 2570 is 7520. 7520. And from this number 2570, which is the smallest number that you can arrange it as 0, you cannot put 0 in the beginning, so you have to place the after 0 the number that is small, the number that is small you have to place. That's it, 2 0, after 2 0 5 7. So smallest is 2057. Next, which is what digits, which is the greatest digit that can be formed with the digit, which is the greatest number that can be formed with the digit 1507, which is the greatest digit in this number? 7. After 7, which is the greatest number? 5. After 5, 1, then 0. Which number can you form? The smallest number will be 1 0 5 7. Next, now what do you mean by successor? The successor of the greatest 4-digit number is the successor. Yes, sir. What is the 4-digit greatest number? Is 9999, the greatest 4-digit number. The 4-digit number is 9999, and the successor means just the after number, that is plus 1. The number that is given plus 1, if you add the number, that the answer that you get will be the successor. If you add plus 1 to the any given number, the answer that you get, that will be the successor of the given number. So what is the successor of the greatest 4-digit number? First you have to, the greatest 4-digit number is 999 plus 1. If you add, you will be getting 0 0 0 10. That is the next, the predecessor of the smallest 4-digit number. So what is the smallest 4-digit number? Is 0 and minus 1. So any number, if you subtract by 1 minus 1, or any number, the given number, if you go just the before number, that is called the predecessor of the given number. So if what is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000. If you subtract from 1, you minus 1, the answer that you get will be the predecessor of the smallest digit number, that is 999. Now next, write the successors of the given number. The successor of the write the successor of the given number 7499. So what will be the successor of the given number of 7 plus 1? If you add the plus 1 to the given number or just the after number, it is 7499. Next, 8079. So what will be the successor of this? The successor will be 8080. What will be the successor of 2199? 2200 will be the successor. Next, write the predecessor of the given number. Predecessor means the before number. What will be the before number of 2300? It will be 2299. If you subtract 2300 minus 1, the answer will be 2299. Next is 7290. What will be the predecessor? 7289. Next, what will be the predecessor of 2000? 1999. Next, arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means from small to big. So the given numbers are there. In this given number, which is the smallest 4-digit number that is given? It is 3456. Now see, after this 3456, 3535. So 35 will be the number. So this is 35, this is 3. So next, after that, you see 3546 and 3564. So which will be the number? 3546. Next, 3564. Next, 3654. Now arrange in ascending of the following numbers. Now see, in here 374, after 374, 511, then 6183, then 7694. Next, arrange in descending order. Descending order means from big to small. So from the given of which is the biggest number? This 6473. Next is 2894. Next 1074. Next is 923. Next is which is the highest number in this? 8698. After that, here is also 3000. The next number C is 3614 and 3457. 999. See here, dash plus 0 is equal to 534. So any number, if you plus by 0, then answer will be the same. So here will be 534. Plus 0 will be 534. And see, dash plus 37 is equal to 37 plus 642. So what will you put over here that will make equal? 37 is already there. So if you put 642, the number, both the sides will be equal. Next, 806 is equal to 800. So 806. So next is equals to 800. So what number will you add with 800 to get the answer 806? So if you subtract 806 minus 800, the answer will be 6. So plus 6. Next, a century or half century. A century, that is 100. Half century, that is 50. So if we add 100 plus 50, what will be the answer? 150. Next, 100 more than 700. So any number which you multiply by 1 plus, any 100 more than 700. That is 700 plus 100 will be how much? 800. Next, a score will be how much? 20 plus a dozen will be 12 plus a century is 100. So if you add 20 plus 12 plus 100, the answer will be 132. A score is 20, a dozen is 12 and a century is 100. Next, 3204 plus 100. Any number that you multiply by, any number that you plus by 100. If you add by 100. So the number that is in the, this is the number ones, tens, hundreds, so you have to look at the hundreds place. So the number that you have to plus with 100, you have to look at the hundreds place. The number that is that in the 100 place, you have to just add that particular number with 1. You have to add plus 1. So if we add 3234, that is 2 plus 1 will be 3. So if we add plus 1, that is 3304. Next 2763 plus 1000. So any number if you add plus 1000, you have to look at the place value chart of the 1000. So in here, in the 1000 place, that is 2. So you have to add plus 1. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. So the answer will be 3763. So I have given this. Look at the revision work and copy all in your notebook. Thank you.